Jamaica. Let us vote for a better Jamaica. In this election, let us vote for the Jamaica Labour Party.
You don't know the story, you can card with me, because it's next media.
Take care of a little business, because I want everybody that leave here today to understand what a clock has strike in the St. Margaret's Bay division. So I want you to listen to me very carefully.
The man with that short Prime Minister.
I am a man that believes in democracy. I am a man that believes in the constitution of the Jamaica Labour Party. So, I asked the party to do an audit of St. Margaret's Bay. And they did it. And they did a poll. And the poll was not looking good for the councillor, but looking good for the party. So I said, you know, when I came to West Portland in 2006, I went into a selection with the then chairman of the constituency, the now comrade Kenneth Rowe. Many of you know him here. And I went in, and in 3 weeks, I beat him by 3-1 in a selection. So I am a man that came, not by Kingston and not by Belmont Road, by the people of West Portland who chose me to be their candidate. So I decided that rather than taking any decision, I would go to a selection in St. Margaret's Bay. The selection date was set, and it was Mr. Williams and Mr. Mackenzie. We got there for the selection, and we could not do the selection because we were taken to court by Mr. Williams. It's the first time I've ever seen somebody take you to court for a democratic process. And I put Mr. Mackenzie in the seat through the party. I could understand going to court to say the people must decide. But I was making the people decide. But he didn't want the people to decide. So he put on an injunction to prevent it. Well, you know the saying, when two children buck up, God cry. So he thought that he could use a court and pay a big lawyer big money to stop what the Labour Party was doing. Well, suffice it to say that despite all of what he tell you about nobody can be nominated because in a court, he's in court. But guess what? Mr. Clyde Mackenzie was nominated today on behalf of the Jamaica Labour Party to represent the St. Margaret's Bay. So I don't know what he's going to say tomorrow morning. But anybody that takes Labour Party to court is not a Labourite. Anybody who embarrasses me and embarrasses West Portland constituency and embarrasses the Labour Party is not a Labourite. So I don't know where or what he's going to do, but neither do I care. What I know is that Clyde Mackenzie is a son of the soil of St. Margaret's Bay. Grandfather, father, and now him. School teacher, all of what you talk about. And I'm saying to every one of you in here, because I know the tricks of the trade. Where you call and you get the money and you get that. Come election day, we're going to work. Those of us who are workers, those of us who are runners in St. Margaret's Bay, and guess what? I am going to spend most of my day in St. Margaret's Bay, so that any little thing that go wrong, I can counteract it. Because I don't know what one thing I'm going to do, But I know you need another general here. Time. So, enough about him. Because he is now history as of this morning. You remember Patterson?
Yes.
Patterson called me last week and tell me he want to see me. Because he want to have a talk because I'm doing such a good job. And I said to myself, you know something? A leopard never changes spots. So me no bother, no see him. But I saw him in an orange shirt and an orange flag this morning going to nomination. So you see what I tell you? When two children buck up, I cry. Because I could have gone there to see him and him tell me all kind of long story. And that means, and you know what? My goodness. Give her a big round of applause. The new council in waiting for the St. Margaret's Bay Division. Council in waiting, Clyde Mackenzie. Give him a big round of applause. True story. Last time I received a call. Somebody from overseas, she used to work in West Constituency office and she did it. Yeah, me think about 2 seconds and I said, no, sir, not like that. Not like that. Again, on this journey this morning, me and the mister. I mean, I said, it look like something going on here so still. But guess what? At the end of the day, nothing could stop this day. Nothing could stop this day. I am here. A certain person is not. St. Margaret's Bay Division has gone through a lot of turmoil. I am here to settle the division. Unity and strength. Unity and strength. I think the people deserve better than what they have gone through, what they have been through. Yeah, man, what they have been through for the last 3 seasons. I am here to serve. Liberites, I am here to serve. Believe me, I see is what I do. No. We have a good look here. But good look alone don't win elections. It's coming 26th. We are going to carry out grandmother, the grandfather, granduncle, the star elders, we are both for them. Everybody we are both for them. The ones that were on the line, the fence, we are both for them. Because on the 26th, we are going to make sure, so guess what? Mr. Vaz, a football, I deal with me. Rohan can't tell you, a 4-0. A 4-0. 26th, 4-0. 4-0. I'll tell you something. We just realized today. We always hear people say it. But we realized today, when we really observe the road today, when the PNP them see me, them tremble. You feel them in that push. You tell them, man. You see it to them, man. You see it to them. I'm in a buff day. I'm mash up buff day. All the PNP them are real up because them say, oh, that red boy, they ride all ninja bike. We're flexible. We're flexible. So listen to me now. I save the best for last. I'm going to introduce the outgoing deputy mayor and councillor of Alcaris. But I want to say a few words. I want to say a few words. Alcaris Balcarres has always been the weather vane division. The other three divisions have always been much stronger than Balcarres. And we have lost Balcarres once in 2011. We lost it by a little under 200 votes. So I know it. And I want to say, and I want everybody to listen to me, I respect good representation. And I saw this young man and I encouraged him to run as a councillor. He was into football and community development. And I saw the potential in him. And I said to him, you can't run for councillor if you don't have a car. And I gave him a car. And I said, listen, you go and make your name because you have a bright future. And that investment has paid off because I then appointed him deputy mayor because I wanted to give him experience as a youth so he can understand and grow up in the politics. And I can say without fear of contradiction that Rohan Vasle is the best performing councillor. Not only West Portland, but East Portland. And I tell you, I went to a workers' meeting with him last week. There was not one complaint about him. Stand up beside me. There was not one complaint about him. Not like the other two divisions. And I tell you something, it was a pleasure because I saw the love and the support for him by both the PNP and the JLP. So, Balcarres division, I have ticked it off already. And worst of all, the person is running against is who has sabotaged us with water for the last 15 years. A man named Sullivan. I don't even know him personally. He's a wicked man. Wicked man. Sabotage. Politically sabotage. Innocent, hard-working people from getting water from the parish council. So I want to say to you all this evening that this is a youngster in whom I'm well proud. And I tell you something, he has a far way to go because he has a demeanor, he has a personality, and he has the calmness about him. Not like me, who cuss some class sometimes. But he don't do that. But that is, I want to recognize him at this nomination day function because he has performed exemplary. And I want to say to you, keep doing what you're doing. Walk with kings, but never lose a common touch. Work for the people, they will work for you. Serve the people, they will serve you. Love the people, they will love you. And respect the people, and they will respect you. Show our labor rights. Show our labor rights. Labor rights. I can't dance like the bees of them on the coast. But guess what? We keep it real and we keep it jiggy. So, Paris, big up on yourself. Put down. Who do make this possible? It's about big up yourself. And it's a picture working with all these councillors and caretakers. Record. November 2016, I couldn't talk much or say much. But guess what? It's the election here. White throat again. White throat again. Now guess what? You hear them attack and make not nice in a ball. Not even nice, coming in our water. Now they feel like it's a talk show. Jerry Springer and Murray. And the real team this, Balcarres. We are take this. And the poor seat them. The nine seat them. Never right. off now. But Mr. Vasle said something a while ago that is really true. In 2016, he could have barely hold a microphone. He nervous and shivery because, and now, he have the tune and he have the vibe and he have the lyrics. So sound man, until the food is served, I don't want nobody to know because I want everybody to see it's new light to put in, you know. Because the other light them not good. So I'm going to light up the place tonight because let there be light. Let there be light. Let there be light. Run forward. Run some music.
And no money don't spend. You just a little mother that pussy now. And the girl make you very good so we don't care. This is what you see me. And you have a job and you can't do it down there. We fucking up and we be founded. We see the good everyone is founded. This is what you have to let the money go. Take up this thing you go in for money go. Rolex,